up in the cosmos with my eyes closed. I'm down in the meantime, wondering what time means. I'm out on the icing, hovering and buffering, looking back in the meantime, living with the machines in this conscious reality. Walking on a sidewalk, listening to people talk, swimming in some seedways underneath the freeway. Coming up on a mountain, that's when I'm eating over the sun again. Following smiles, oh, counting all their chromosomes, drowning in the sea. Drowning in the sea. Too many trees that make you like a bird, just sitting there drumming subsonic words. That you feel might make you wanna run, stay away from the concrete and your arms all in the sun. That might make you wanna leave. Retreat to your own stinky air that you breathe. Geometric shapes that make you have to wait and wait till you don't have to finish your play. Whatever word that you read. Whatever what you ate.